How's that, Eddie, brother? No, negative.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, 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 shit.
What happened?
This fucking Silverado in front of me flipped around with his tractor.
You?
With his tractor, I'm stuck behind him.
Okay. Pull over.
I'm going to a 19. I'm trying to get out of the way here.
The buyer's market.
If you had to guess what the makeup of the crowd's gonna be, San Fran to. If you had to guess what the crowd's gonna be, Kansas City.
Any future treatment, got to call for it. And then to hire somebody on comes down to work at the saw.
The fuck?
You're the ones where you can like press the button. Are you serious? Fuck! Fuck!
Caralho!
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay? All right.
That was running.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah, I think so.
You okay?
Yeah.
God damn, that was bad, man.
Yeah, man.
You alright? Wait, what do you need help
Are you
with?
okay?
Just
What do you need help with?
I'm not hurt.
Do you think you could get out?
Yeah, I can probably get out. I just
Your
got a
arm
little,
alright?
What's your arm?
just got a little scratch.
Let me lean this thing back.
Yeah.
Somebody go call
I got a dash cam,
Nice.
so we'll see.
I saw the whole thing, but the dude took off.
Yeah, the guy that cut her off, fucking.
I
The
mean,
guy.
he just left.
That guy
He's
cut.
in
That
he's
guy
in
cut her.
a
Oh,
blazer, a black blazer down this way.
I got a dash cam. Maybe it got his license
Oh, maybe.
plate.
That would be great. All right, well, I got to get to
Here,
work.
you want to
got
just hand me
plenty of
that?
milk.
Yep.
You got it?
Oh, my God. No. She was turning. She was heading the right away, and this other car clipped her, and she ran right in. Is your arm okay?
Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, we'd come over right. The sky be falling and I
morning. I'm from Queens, New York.
Yo, Queens in the building.
Yeah.
Stop. Yo, Queens gets the...
Who just hit who back there?
Cleaner, less invasive, and at a fraction of the cost of a denture replacement. Stop tripping over on The day I went to see Dr. Robin Carson at Carson Hearing Care in Fort Worth. With a simple hearing evaluation, she recommended hearing aids from Widex. The first hearing aid that doesn't sound like a hearing aid, delivering a more pure, natural sound, and even better, there's no struggling with batteries. They're rechargeable. Find out if the Widex moment is right for you by scheduling an appointment today.
Okay, Garmin.
Cam Akers, he's an interesting one. Love the team. Will he get the full workload? Is he fully back from the Achilles injury? If Akers, he's an interesting one. Love the team. Will he get the full workload? Is he full?
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.